Alright y'all, what's up? So the video you're about to see here is the Vasquez 2023 car show that happened today. So before I show you this video, yes, if you saw the upload, well, quite frankly, you're not going to be able to see it cuz I uploaded the video of the car show, but it was copyrighted. And literally no one could see it. It wasn't private or anything. It was free to the public. But the video was blocked everywhere, and only I can see it. So yeah, so I deleted the video because I want you guys to see this. This is this is really cool because we haven't done a car show in 4 years. The last car show was in 2019, and we haven't. And this is we wanted to keep going with the car show, but we couldn't do it for 4 years. So now this is the first car show in 4 years. So yeah, so all I'm saying is I really hope this video doesn't get copyrighted, and I really want you guys to see it. Also, I didn't film this video. I did not film it. Okay? I'm giving credit to the ASB team because they actually filmed this video, they posted it, everything. It's their video. It's not mine. So I'm just giving credit to them real quick cuz I have to give credit because I'm posting their video on my channel, so I'm giving them credit because I don't wanna come off as a person who doesn't give credit for other people's videos that aren't mine. So yeah, so I'd say without further ado, I'm gonna show you the video. So yeah, here we go.
Let him handle it. Stand back.
Fire! Your video is so retarded.
Stand back. Stand back, everyone.